Welcome to Disney Toy Collection channel. Today I have an awesome Mater, tow truck Mater with the remote here, as you can see. So let's unpack it first. So let me show you the rear side. This is how the rear side looks. It has Sally and Lightning McQueen as well. And Mater. Here you can see this is how it looks when you unpack it, unbox it. Look at this. So it has a little background at the rear, and here is the remote. So I took out the remote, you can see, and let me unpack it, then I'm gonna come back to you. So after unboxing it, this is how it looks. Look at this Mater. Lots of details it has, and I already tried it. It's very speedy. I'm gonna try it one more time to show you guys. And here you can see the remote curves. Here you can see Mater got stuck here. It's too speedy. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Oh, so you know it usually it goes backward unless you do anything, unless you press the remote. Look at this Mater. Oh, it keeps going like that. Oh, you see? Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. So I'm stopping it. Come. So if you don't press the remote, it's gonna go backwards. If you have to make it go forward, you have to keep pressing it, or you can make it stand up. Look, this is what I'm doing now, because I'm just keep pressing it off and on, off and on. Oh. This is pretty fun. Look at this. Yeah, now it got stuck. It got stuck. So that's how it works. As you can see, it got stuck there. I'm trying to... Oh! That's pretty cool. Ooh. Ooh. So thank you viewers, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe Disney Toy Collection channel for more Disney toys.